Cabbage can also be a surprising ingredient in smoothies, adding a nutrient boost without overpowering other flavors. Simply blend some raw cabbage with fruits like banana or pineapple, and you'll enjoy all the health benefits in a refreshing drink. Beyond smoothies, cabbage can be incorporated into soups, where it melds beautifully with spices and broth. Its ability to absorb flavors makes it an ideal candidate for hearty vegetable soups, lending both texture and nutrition to your bowl. Consider experimenting with cabbage in your next stir-fry. Its crisp texture holds up wonderfully against sautéed vegetables. As you toss it in with colorful bell peppers and tender snap peas, the vibrant contrast is not only visually appealing but also adds a satisfying crunch. Don't forget to season generously with your favorite sauces, bringing out the natural sweetness of the cabbage while enhancing every bite. Cabbage also shines when used as a wrap for various fillings. Instead of tortillas, try blanching cabbage leaves to soften them, then stuff them with seasoned meats, grains, or roasted vegetables. This not only provides a low-carb alternative but also infuses a unique flavor profile into your dishes. Additionally, consider roasting cabbage wedges drizzled with olive oil and your choice of herbs. The caramelization process will enhance the vegetable's natural sweetness, giving you a side dish that's both simple and delicious. As you explore these preparation methods, remember that the key is to let cabbage's natural flavors shine through while complementing them with the right ingredients. Cabbage can also be used to create flavorful condiments, like a zesty cabbage salsa that pairs perfectly with grilled meats. Simply combine diced cabbage, tomatoes, onions, jalapenos, and a squeeze of lime for a vibrant topping that adds texture and a refreshing kick. This not only enhances your grilled dishes but also showcases cabbage's adaptability in different culinary contexts. Moreover, you can experiment with pickled cabbage, which brings a delightful tanginess to sandwiches or tacos. The process is straightforward. Mix thinly sliced cabbage with vinegar, sugar, and spices, allowing it to marinate for a few hours. The result is a crunchy, flavorful addition that elevates any meal. In summary, cabbage is a remarkable vegetable that deserves a prominent place in your kitchen. Imagine creating a savory cabbage pancake, blending shredded cabbage with eggs and flour to form a crispy treat. These pancakes are not only easy to prepare but also serve as a delightful snack or light meal option. In conclusion, the humble cabbage proves to be a remarkable ingredient that not only enriches our diets but also adds a burst of creativity to our cooking. Embrace its versatility and discover all the delicious ways to include it in your meals for a healthier lifestyle. Cabbage is a versatile ingredient that can enhance various dishes with its nutritional benefits and unique flavor. It can be blended into smoothies with fruits, incorporated into hearty soups, added to stir-fries for crunch and texture, used as a low-carb wrap, roasted for caramelization, and transformed into flavorful condiments such as salsa or pickles. Techniques like creating cabbage pancakes also showcase its adaptability. Embracing cabbage in cooking can lead to healthier, more creative meals. Cabbage can be added to various dishes, such as smoothies, for a nutrient boost, blended with fruits like bananas and pineapples. It works well in soups, absorbing flavors from spices and broth. In stir-fries, its crisp texture contrasts beautifully with other vegetables like bell peppers and snap peas. Cabbage can be used as a low-carb wrap for meats and grains when blanched or roasted with olive oil and herbs for a caramelized side dish. It can also be turned into condiments like cabbage salsa or pickles and made into savory pancakes with eggs and flour. Embracing cabbage enhances meals with its versatility and health benefits. Cabbage is a versatile and nutritious ingredient that enhances a variety of dishes. It can be used in smoothies for added nutrients, incorporated into soups for flavor absorption, featured in stir-fries for crunch, utilized as a low-carb wrap, roasted for caramelization, and transformed into condiments such as salsa or pickles. Additionally, it can be made into savory pancakes, showcasing its adaptability in cooking. Embracing cabbage in culinary practices can lead to healthier and more creative meals.